Hey guys, this is Mark with Tech128 and we are back at it again unboxing yet another network attached storage device. This is the Synology DS418, and if you watched our video about 2 weeks ago, we unboxed the Drobo 5 and 2. That was going to be our main storage device for all of our video editing, storage and production needs. And we had a ton of drives to throw in and I was so excited, but unfortunately with much frustration of getting it set up, getting it working, the read and write speeds are around 60 megabytes a second, which is ridiculous. Drobo even said that themselves. And nothing we could do could get it to work any faster. So I hope maybe a different one will work. So we got the Synology DS418. We're going to be unboxing it right here and seeing hopefully this would be a good alternative to our Drobo. So opening up the lid, you can see we've got a bunch more cardboard. First up, we've got the power cable. That is pretty interesting. That's all that's on the top right there. Probably easy accessible, so you, no matter what country. Got mystery box 1. We'll take a look at that in a second. Empty box. And we have got the unit itself. This is incredibly tiny. And that is all that is in the box, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff off to the side. And I would probably say that this box right here is going to be power brick and some Ethernet cables. This does too have 2 LAN ports just like the Drobo, but it doesn't work quite the same way. So we got an advertisement, get our router, quick installation guide, Ethernet cable 1 and 2, and most importantly, the power brick right here, kind of a proprietary connector. We've also got some keys to lock the drive bay because this device does have locking drive bays. And we've also got a ton of little screws because this does allow you to mount 2.5-inch drives or toolless if you're using 3.5-inch, which is awesome. Drobo only supports 3.5-inch, so in order for me to use my SSD that I showed you in that last episode, I had to get an adapter. That wasn't that cool, so you can use it that way, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. It is extremely light and much more small than the Drobo, which is kind of nice. Just going to sit on the desk just a little bit better. So here we go. This is the Synology. It is all plastic, not metal, but it's light and hopefully it works. So this is how you actually remove the drives. They slide out just like that. Now, like I said, it is toolless. If you're using 3.5-inch drives, you just snap these 2 sides off. If you're using a 2.5-inch drive, we do have holes right here to mount along with these screws right there. And to insert it, you just slide it right back in and pop that right in place. And again, these are locking with these keys right here. On the front, we have our status light along with activity, information, and status for all of your disks. There's a USB 3 port with power button. USB is actually a pretty nice addition. The Drobo does not have that. There's no ports on it at all, really. So I'm actually excited because I do have a couple uses for it. On the back, we have 2 fans compared to 1 large one on the Drobo. 2 LAN ports, power, USB 3, another one which is nice, and a Kensington lock. But that's it. That is the Synology DS418. I'm excited to get it up and running, see how it works compared to my Drobo. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Tech128, and I will see you in the next one.